So I was working on making a small game for a few friends, and I wanted to create an easy and effective transformation for my character, which changed the look of the character when the transformation skill was activated and reverts him back after the battle. For this effect, I needed a plugin called Auto Common Events, which I got from an awesome scriptwriter called Galv. You can find a link to the plugin in the description of the video and also in the pinned post in the comments section. Firstly, we need to create two common events, Transform and Revert. Transform changes the character's original sprite to a new sprite, and Revert will change it back after the battle ends. We ensure that the common event for Transform is added to the use of the character's transformation skill, Transform, as well as a state that increases the character's power. This ensures that sprites are swapped over, as well as the character gaining powers. We set our map start and map load common events to the revert common event, ensuring that the character sprites will be returned to normal after the battle end, so if we start a new battle again, we'll be back to being useless and prematurely bolding. I hope this video has been useful. Have a lovely day. Bye!